Io Saturnalia. My name is Darius and this is The World That Was. As the week of Saturnalia is coming up, I figured it would be a good time to make a little celebratory treat. A quick and easy Dulcia Piperata, as recorded by Apicius. This is a very simple and very quick tart that you can make in about a half an hour to serve for any Saturnalia celebrations you may have planned. In any case, let's now take a look at the world that was. To begin with, we need to start by tossing a cup's worth of flour into a bowl. Add in some chopped rosemary and about 75 grams of chopped almonds into the bowl. Mix everything together so it's all evenly distributed. Rosemary is a very commonly found herb in the Mediterranean world, and found its way into Roman cooking in a variety of dishes. I'm using plain white wheat flour here, but wholemeal wheat or even spelt flour would have also been used here in antiquity. Set aside your dry ingredients for later. Next, crack 2 eggs into a measuring jug, before adding your wine, or grape juice if you're not using alcohol, and top this off with some milk. Add in just enough milk to bring the total volume of liquid to about 450 milliliters. Pour the jug of liquid ingredients into your dry ingredients and mix everything together well using a wooden spoon. The whole thing will be like a pancake batter. If it's too thin and watery, add a few more tablespoons of flour, and if it's too thick, just add a little bit more milk. Next, prepare a baking tin by wiping some olive oil over the sides and base of it. Though I'm using a metal tin here, terracotta would have been used in antiquity, as it was commonly available and cheap to make, in comparison to metal tins. Bake your tart at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Or it should be done when a skewer comes out clean when the center of it is poked. Take it out and let the whole thing cool down in the baking dish. It may collapse a little bit, but it's absolutely fine and is to be expected. When the cake is cooled down slightly but is still warm, spread some honey over the top. Sprinkle the whole thing with chopped hazelnuts and a few whole hazelnuts. The honey will caramelize a little bit at the edge of the dish, which adds a lovely deep flavour to the whole thing. Serve up warm with another spoonful of honey and dig in. The finished dish is super sweet and light, with a very tangy undertone from the wine. The honey, drizzled over the top, infuses into the body of the cake, resulting in a springy, sponge-like cross-section. The rosemary also adds a lovely woody kick to each slice, which pairs wonderfully with the taste of the white wine I used here. Wine was used a lot in Roman cooking, as it was something that was constantly in production, and thus readily available in many different forms and qualities, so it's not an uncommon addition here. In any case, I hope you all enjoyed this quick look at the world that was. I'm going to be taking a break for the new year, and to enjoy the holiday period, so I'll be back in the first week of January. Thank you all for your continued support over the last few years, and I look forward to bringing you all more ancient recipes. Thanks again for watching.